Here's another great way to get people to call you back when you are making cold calls. Again, don't ruin my rep. Have an actual insight. We will talk on Easton University portal on future lives like this about how to make an insight, but an insider insight, okay? Who you are, how you're connected. Hey, Doug, Matt Easton over here at Easton Software. You and I are connected because I manage all of our relationships with mid-sized companies in Houston. Hey, I've been talking to the top production managers, and there's an insider insight that I wanted to make sure you know about. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202, okay? Boom, they're gonna start calling you back. Guys, I can go all day. I'll give you two more, and that's it. And then we'll stop and we'll open it up to questions. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.